It's one of our new kits. It is the, I think, Daisy Days is what it's called, scrapbook kit. So you guys ready? I'm gonna open up the box. I'm so excited. I opened up the box and put the price in it. So this is $32, okay? And we're gonna open this together. First of all, let's just talk about the box, okay? I mean, okay, so you take your stuff out of it and what do? You put it downstairs or wherever you have your wrapping paper and you save it for wrapping presents because this is a fantastic box. And even has cat hair on it because that's how we roll at my house. Okay, let's take it out of the box. All right, so here's the paper. Oh, no. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, I have it upside down. Oh, wow, gorgeous. Okay, so here's my scissors. Let's get this out of there. I'm so excited. I don't usually buy a lot of kits because I have so much stuff that I could make tons of my own kits. But, oh, wow. This is so pretty. Look at that. Look at the flowers. Look at all those colors, the way they go together and the gingham on the side. Oh, my heavens. Okay, look. Look at the quality. Wow. Okay, let's talk about the quality. Oh, look at, we get the silicone pack. Let's throw that to the side. But look, you get pop dots with it and glue dots and a roll of double-sided tape. What? Oh, okay. Focus. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Look at the D-rings. Look at that quality. You guys, $32. Wow. Okay, and we haven't even gotten to the paper yet. So obviously we know it comes with everything to put it together. Fantastic. Okay. It says instructions. It comes with instructions. Oh, geez, you can't beat that with a stick. Some people need instructions, some people don't. But let's go ahead and get this open. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm like a little kid. I am so excited. And I love these daisy prints. How cute is that? You can just watch me struggle with the plastic. How fun. I don't want to wreck it. So here we go. Okay, now let's talk about the paper. First off, how cool is that? Okay, we'll do the instructions in a minute. But look at this. I've already noticed that it's already pre-punched. How rad is that? So all you have to do is put your page together. It's already pre-punched here on the side. And then, oh, and it's double-sided. Oh, that is awesome. So you can make 2 pages on one. Okay. Yay. Okay, sorry. Let's put that aside. And let's go over the instructions. So here, it comes with an instruction sheet, and it gives you instructions on how to do all of your pages. Now, you don't have to follow the instructions, but if you need that extra guidance or what have you, look at it. Oh, wow, you guys, look at this. I should have done like a separate video of just this. Wow. Oh, and it's even got a folder. And it shows you how to fold up the folder for like a pocket page. Oh, what kind of sorcery is this? Oh, upside down. Sorry about that. Fantastic. How cute. Oh, ice cream cone. Yay. So cute. You know, National Ice Cream Cone Day is coming. I don't know if you guys knew that. Okay, and then look here. It even gives you inches here to measure probably how much of the adhesive that you need. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm thinking if you have to buy someone a gift, this might be it. Okay, so that's one piece of paper. So we've got some cut punch outs here. Super cute. More paper. What? Okay, don't scratch it with your fingernails. Okay, that's a clear sheet. Look at that. Let me put that down so you guys can see. I'm in love. I think this is the best $32 I ever spent. Wow. Oh, and there's another one. And they're pre-punched as well. Okay, this is magical. I don't know what you guys are thinking right now, but I think this is pretty magical. And added bonus, if you wanted to add some extra page and keep the summer theme going, you could use that stamp set that I just showed you guys. That would be fantastic. And I have to get the name of it because I can't remember. Summer Happiness. Oh, ice cream, ice cream. And you get 2 sheets of these. Yay. Look at, oh, you guys, this is fantastic. Oh, what? Oh, I'm in love. I am in love. I never buy this stuff for myself. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for you to see it. All the pieces together. Here's the pocket, and it's double-sided. So you could make it this side, or you could make it that side. Oh, Stampin' Up. Good job. And here's some more pocket pages. Fantastic. Wow. For little doodads and whatnots from your trip. Oh, so cute. Okay, here's some, oh, here's journaling pieces. Fantastic. So you can journal. Make sure you guys, when you journal, you do it in your own handwriting because you wouldn't have grandma's writing if we didn't journal in our own writing. And here's a whole page where you can just write about all your trip. Oh, so cute. We have a whole stack of stuff still to go through. Hopefully you're still with me. Go run and pause this. Go get a cup of coffee and come right back. Holy cow. How cute. Oh, I am in love. Oh, there's a little stripe. Okay, here's one from the directions. How cute is that? Oh, wow. Wowzy, wow, wow. And here's another sheet. Look at, I am in love with those flowers. That is so cute. And look at these little borders. Can you see that? I'm going to tear a piece of it off. Look at that. It's a little border. Oh, so pretty. This is great. Oh, wow. Love those colors. That's that, oh, what color is that? It's that pink one, that in color. So cute. Strawberry Slush. Took me a minute. Oh, my goodness gracious, Agnes. And look, everything is pre-punched. I mean, you don't have to do anything. And then when you go to make your own page, all you have to do is put your page up against here and then punch it out. And, oh, look! A whole thing of flowers. What? Wow, cute. Look at that paper. That is so sweet. And then some more dots on the back. Oh, wow. What a fantastic kit. This is upside down, so let's turn it this way. I think the whole thing's upside down. Let me do that. I'm like so distracted. How pretty, you guys. This is so gorgeous. I'm sorry, I'm such a goofball, but I can't help it. It says, let the sun begin, and then it's in different languages. Yay. Sunshine, smiles, favorites. Here's a stripe piece of paper, but the stripe's the other way. Oh, cute. Good times. Oh, happy day. And then if you wanted to use these, like, oh, happy day on one and then something else, you can just cover this up with a button or just punch something out and put it there. Best day ever. Oh, so cute. We're getting to the bottom here. I know I'm long-winded, but I just wanted to open this with you guys because I thought it was so cute. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, more journaling spots. Perfect. And then if you guys don't want to use this as a scrapbook, gosh, you could make, I don't know how many cards out of it. And it says summer, amore. And then you've got some numbers here and the big and symbol. So cute. Oh, here we go. What does this say? These are just some letters. Okay, bonjour maybe. I don't know what that says. Okay, we'll just keep going here. This is celebrate this moment. Un bien. Okay. Here's some more. Our family. Fun in the sun. Gotta love fun in the sun. Making memories. Super cute. Oh, look at these. Look at these flowers. Let me put it this way. So sorry. I had it right side up. I thought it was upside down. How cute. Oh, wow. This is like a big stick of butter. So cute. And you get a couple of these. Nice. And this goes with all those flowers that I just showed you. Wow. Okay, so that brings us to the end. So for $32, you get all of this. You get doodads, and you get a roll of this, some glue dots, and some Stampin' Dimensionals, and you get this book. Wow, I'm so glad I waited to open this on camera with you guys. I hope that you like this. I hope that you liked anything that I showed today. Leave me a comment if you can and tell me which one was your favorite. And I appreciate you watching, and join me next week. I'll be back with Technic Tuesday, and then we'll do another unboxing the next time. So I love you guys. Take care, and I will see you soon. Make sure you wear your sunscreen. Okay, bye-bye.